insane. We got Mike here.
Okay.
If Michael joins us, because you guys can't hear us because he's already going to be in the video. But it is windy out here. We have a severe thunderstorm active until 8:15 p.m. Elk Grove Village, Illinois. We are in the middle of the warning. I just saw a helicopter fly.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Look, the leaves are blowing off the trees.
I think those are helicopters. Holy. Oh my goodness. Wait a minute. Can you feel like put
See
it
that
on the
leaf
window?
go by? Wow. There's another one.
I think this is a severe
Look at that
thunderstorm.
tree next door. It's really flipping around.
We got Bob's tree.
I bet Bob's is really flipping around.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I see him flying over to Donovan's.
Oh my god, that's an airplane. There's an airplane. What? When this is going on, there's an airplane? What? That is so weird. This is going on. And there's a little airplane in the sky. Mike, you having fun? Well, it's
Is it
you.
raining yet?
I don't think so.
Let's go stand on the deck and look at it.
Outside?
You want to do it?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, let's do it. Okay, let's sit down. Like, we need some sandals. I'm just gonna put on these. Let's go, guys.
We have to come if it rains.
We come in. If it doesn't,
Right. Oh, look at how windy. Wow. Wow.
oh wait!
Wow.
Maybe this is why. Oh my god!
You got a little bit. It's not raining, it's just rain. It's very windy.
Whoa! Wow!
Whoa.
I think I see it. I think it's coming from that way. Look at it.
That's a big storm there, yeah. There's blue sky there. Wow.
We're in the middle of it, all right.
We are. Storm central.
Okay, guys.
The wind quieted down.
I think it's starting. Oh yeah. Oh my god.
Wind everywhere.
Yeah, we got wind. Oh no, Bob's tree. It's our neighbor Bob, so that's why we call it Bob's tree. Mike, oh my god. Mike, you having fun? Oh no, I hope that bird's nest is okay.
I bet it is.
Hopefully.
They built a nice nest. This dog is out on his.
It is? Oh, I hear him.
He's just sitting there.
He should probably come inside.
See if he'll get us.
I don't see him.
Maybe that's just a bag. Look at old eyes. Inside.
I think that's actually rain.
Blue sky.
It's rain when there's blue sky. Oh my god, that's a leaf.
Yep. Off of Bob's.
Oh my god, there's another
Another
one.
one off of Bob's tree.
Oh guys, here we go. Oh! Oh yeah, here it comes. Tornado watch. We got a tornado watch. Update tornado watch. We're still under a severe thunderstorm warning though, guys. Like, you having fun?
We're enjoying the storm watch.
The crazy stuff that is going on right now. I literally feel like rain going on my arm. Why? Why? Why is there an airplane? There is like 60-mile-per-hour winds. Are you serious? Am I seeing this correctly? Or is there an airplane in the sky as we speak? Huh? That is super weird. Super weird. Super weird. Nope.
I don't think there's gonna be a storm.
Huh?
Doesn't look like rain anymore.
It's coming from that way. No, it's coming from this way. You see that over there?
Yeah.
It's coming from that way.
Looks more like a storm there than over there.
No,
Usually
it's
they
coming
come
from the south.
west. So it's coming from the south?
Yeah, it's coming from the
Okay.
southwest
Oh,
and going northeast. Yeah, so that's coming towards us,
okay.
right?
Oh yeah, you can see the clouds coming. Yeah. Look at Bob Street. The white edge is getting closer and closer. Look at
What's that? I heard it on your phone.
that. Yeah, let's see what this latest alert is.
Let's see.
Let's see what they have. Oh, it's from the power of my house. There's a brownout in Elk Grove Village.
What's that?
That means the power has gotten lower than usual. It dropped to 73 volts. Wow, that's like a dropout.
What's that mean?
Well, usually the voltage goes between 135 and 108. That's the normal range. So it went to about half of that.
So, is our power gonna go out?
Not here, but your generator may turn on.
I hope it does.
Let me look at a graph of it. It'll show me a graph.
Okay, so how about not worry about
Well,
that?
look, the power's good at my house, eh?
If the power is good in the house.
There's the meter right now.
What about our house?
Daddy doesn't have one of these because he's got the generator.
Yeah, I think you wouldn't need one.
Right, I've got the remote.
Hey guys, how about not worry about that because the power is totally still on. And why do you think the power thing went down? And what is the
Well, what
problem?
happens with this wind is it wiggles the power lines that are up on poles around and it causes brownout.
I feel rain.
I felt the drop too.
I think we should go in.
Yep, let's go in. It's starting to rain, Mike.
God, yeah, it's fun. I see it. Mike, we gotta go in.
You don't want to get wet. No.
I'm going in.
Let's go in, Mike.
Oh, it's actually starting.
Let's go, Mike.
Alright, here we go.
Yes.
We gotta go.
Very hard to-
We got to go. Yep, it's coming now. I see that severe storm. Okay, guys, that's the end of our video, and thank you.